Another way to assign in the color is a gradient. For example, giving a color goes to another color. If you go to the fill, yeah, and this we have some slider here that is in this gradient. This is an simple. This gradient I don't use a lot because we have fill color too that's very powerful. But I tell you here, this is an type linear. You can see linearly. You can select that. Select here, choose a color that you want, and it's smoothly go to the another color that you select this point. You can see. Just select these points, and then you can just change the slider. You can see this is a gradient, and you can choose a midpoint. You can change opacity of that. You can see, make it more opaque, change the color. You can insert simply in this part, insert a line here that you can choose completely different color here. Select that, completely different color. You create such a things here. So you can reverse gradient anywhere that you want. This is linear. You can change the position of that. Elliptical, you can see, you can change it. Radial. For better seeing that, conical. For better seeing these things, it's better to, you can see if you click, you can add any, insert any point there. And you can select them if you don't need to, and select them and delete them here. Okay, this is just simple gradient, but I again tell you we have a fill color that is very interesting, and you can assign a gradient with more thing to work. I will show you in next lesson to how to use that and its tools.